all my grandma's clothes. I look incredible. I make 'em prettier. You'll see in this video. Hi there! Do you remember when these tops were cool? Yes, my grandma was cool, but we can make it cooler. The first step is to cut off a bottom piece. Mine was 15 inches long. Next, I measured around my chest to see how long I need the band to be. It should fit comfortably and not too tight. Cut 2 rectangles from the leftover fabric with your measurements, leaving some seam allowance, and stitch the short sides together. For the bottom piece, create a loose basting stitch by setting your tension to 0 and stitch length to the highest number. Stitch along the top of the piece and don't backstitch. Leave some thread to pull on once you're done. Pick just one thread to pull on and start gathering the fabric. If the ruffles are too tight, you can spread them out until it's the same length as the band from earlier. Pin and sew the band onto the bottom piece, right sides together. You can remove the basting stitch if it's visible for a cleaner look. For the straps, I measured how long I needed them to be. I drew a rectangle on my leftover fabric, 3 inches wide and half of my strap measurement. Cut 4 of these. Pin 2 together and sew them to make 2 long straps. Next, I'm gonna use the sleeves for the ruffles. I spread it out and I actually seam ripped the hem, but that was a mistake. You'll see why later. But I measured 4 inches along the curve and cut that out, ending up with the rainbow piece. We'll be attaching this piece to the strap, creating the ruffle. If you also had a dumb moment like I did, you wanna hem the outer curve first and then create the basting stitch along the inner curve. Once you've gathered the inner curve, hem one side of the strap and hem the raw sides of the ruffle as well. After that, you can sew the two pieces together and do it to the other strap. Lastly, mark down where you want the straps to be, making sure they're even. Pin and sew both straps in place.